Okay, I'll show you guys how to properly work with the pop-up here. If you come up here to your menu bar, you've got your pop-up. Usually this isn't in here. It'll just be a blank bar here. But I'll show you how to work with these a little bit. If you come over here and edit your settings, this is your background image. And then you can set that up to repeat on the whole background. For example, let's use one of these stock images here from Clickfunnels, maybe. I was surprised by the amount of people that don't know they've got all these stock images for their funnels in here. It's quite a bit of stuff. Okay, there we go. So let me get rid of that. Now you can go in here and build up however you want your pop-up to be. But I'll show you something pretty interesting that people miss a lot when they're doing this. I'm just kind of filling this in a little bit so you can see how you can make that, you know, whatever your background image is there, or you can just go into and edit it. But if you notice, I clicked up there at the top, edit pop-up settings. People don't know how to get that to show or close on exit pop-up, and it's right here, trigger on exit, and then you just want to make sure you save that, and then you can go in here and change any of the settings that you want to change on your elements with the pop-up.